There's this old saying, use it or lose it. And that's where I'm at with my creativity. I've always been a creative person, but I have let life's challenges boggle me down and shut myself down to any kind of creative release. And actually answering these questions and posting them is stepping stone to getting into other stuff that I want to down the line. So if you are in your own journey in sparking your creativity, it's baby steps just like anything else. To start with something small, something doable, have some consistency, and before you know it, bigger and better things are down the line.